What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add and start selling digital products on your Shopify store. So Shopify is an online store on which you can add many products to sell, whether they are physical products like clothing, gadgets and so on, or digital products. So if you want to sell like ebooks, brochures, digital frames like picture designs and so on, you can do so also on Shopify. So here I have my Shopify homepage opened here, and I'm signed in with my account, and as you can see my store name is here on the top right. And on the Shopify dashboard or homepage you have many options such as home, orders, products, customers and so on. And if I open the products page, you'll see here I have set up like a test product. I have one product here which is a basic hoodie. This is a test product. However, as you might know, this product is not a digital product, it's a physical one, so it's clothing. So if you want to add a digital product, it's so easy to do. Let's say you have designed like a digital frame for like greetings or a digital card or an ebook or a book cover or something like that. You can easily do so with Canva. With Canva you can design many digital illustrations, such as like a cover or a digital frame, an artwork, and info text, and like posters and so on. So let's say you designed one and you want to start selling it on Shopify. So we'll go to the Shopify store, and here you'll click on add product. Now we'll need to enter some basic product details. So the title, for example, let's say I want to sell like a digital poster, so or a digital frame. Let's say digital frame, and here we can enter the description, and in the description box here you can edit the font, the styles with AI. You can make it bold, italic, and edit the alignment and so on. Let's say this is a digital frame you can use for your photos. Okay, looking good. And you can also add images and videos and so on. So here in the media section, you can upload like an illustration or a photo cover that will be visible in your store, so that when someone opens your products in your Shopify store, they will see how this digital like frame or illustration looks like. So you can upload a photo, you can add it from a URL. So if you finished already the design in Canva, you can upload it and create a URL for it, and you can paste the URL here to add the image directly. No need to download it or anything. So, and you can also drag and drop. So here on my homepage I have like a sample photo. Of course this is not the design, it's like a random photo that I downloaded. However, I'll use it just to show you how it works. So I'll drag it here, and then I'll drop it right here where it says media. It'll start uploading the photo. Okay, now the image is uploaded, and you can notice here on the right side the product organization. It'll generate like an automatic category based on the title and the description and also the media that you uploaded. So here it detects that it is an artwork, so it is right. We can go ahead and accept this suggestion, or we can edit it. So like a photo or an art type. So we can choose here the type or the category. So it's art and drawing toys, or it's art and drawing only here, or art and craft. So you can choose whatever you want. So let's say digital art and see. Okay, digital artwork, that sounds good. You can enter the product type, so it's like a digital frame. Okay, the vendor and you can add also some tags, so art like art or frame or stuff like that. And here we'll go to the pricing. So let's say I want to sell it for like 10 of my currency, that's 10 Egyptian pounds, since my store location is in Egypt. And here you can add the cost per item, and it'll calculate the profit and the margin. However, this applies to physical products where the product costs you money. However, for digital products it has no cost. However, if we scroll down here, we can track like the quantity and the inventory, or continue selling when it's out of stock. If your product is out of stock, you can still receive orders. Here you'll find shipping options. It'll ask you to enter the weight of your item in kilograms or grams or ounces and so on. However, since our product is a digital product, it doesn't require shipping, so you do not have to enter any weight, and you can even like uncheck this option. However, it's worth noting that I'm on the trial right now, the Shopify trial 3-day trial, and if you want to sell digital products, you need to be subscribed to a paid plan. So if you are subscribed to a plan, you will see here in the product page here, you'll see an option that will let you choose your the type of your product, whether it's a physical or a digital product. And when you choose the digital product, it'll remove this section, this shipping section, since digital product don't require any shipping fees or like weight and shipping info and so on, or product dimension or weight. So here this option isn't visible since I do not have a subscription yet. I'm subscribed only to the trial like service or the trial version of the Shopify store. So that is that. When you subscribe, you'll see the option. Okay, now the second option are variants, so you can add like options like sizes or colors. So if you have like this frame in many colors like pink, or add another value that's like blue, green, purple and so on, so you can sell this frame in like many variants. And you can add another option, so we added like a color, we can add another option. So for like size, you have like a small, a medium, or like style, so you have many styles of your frame and so on. And we can delete this option since we will not use it. And here you can edit the price per color. So let's say the pink color, you want to sell it for more than the blue, or you want to sell the green color for like less, you can edit the price for each color. So let's say the green, I like to sell it for like 8 pounds, so 2 pounds less. And we can here enter the availability and SKU and barcode and so on if you want. And finally, when you enter all the details, it'll give you like a preview of how your digital frame or your digital product will look on the search page of Google. So you'll need to have the like SEO or search engine optimizations in order to show your page or show your product in the search results for Google. So that's how it will look like. So it'll say digital frame and it'll give you like the URL for the product. Okay, so and underneath it you can see here that the description is written. So this is digital frame that you can use for photos. Okay, and here I've edited all the needed details for my product, and of course you can change the status, so active or this is a draft. Okay, and now all looking good. So here once you click on save, it'll save your product in the products page. So let's go ahead and click on save. And once it does, it'll tell you that the digital frame is now successfully been added. So you can add another product or view products with an active status. So let's go to the products page here on the right. And you can see here the digital frame product is now added. It doesn't specify that this is a physical or a digital product. However, to have this option visible, you need, as I said, to have like a paid subscription or subscribe to a paid plan on Shopify.